This time, ang given naman dito ay decimal. So, hanapin natin ang fraction at percentage value niya. So, unahin na natin yung percentage. So, yung 0.60 natin, we just simply multiply that to 100. So, sa pag-multiply, we are just moving this one to the right, itong decimal point niya. Kasi nga, dalawa yung 0 ng ating 100. So, it will be equal to 60. Yan. Ngayon, yung 60 na yan, 60%, lagay lang natin dyan. And then, gamitin naman natin tong 60% to find for its fraction. 60% is actually 60 over 100. Now, hindi natin gagalawin yung decimal point dito kasi nga, kinukuha natin yung fraction form. So, ang gagawin natin, maghanap tayo ng eksaktong divisor ng 60 at 100. So, yung greatest common factor na nila, which is 20. So, we divide both 60 by 20 and 100 by 20. So, we have here 3 over 5 or 3/5 as fraction forms. So, ilagay lang natin dito ang kanyang fraction form.